I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. Whether you're going on vacation, on a walk, or to the gym, these JBUDS Open-Headphones sound amazing and are really cool. Let's have a look. Inside the box, of course, you get the headphones, a carrying case, as well as a USB-C cable. And that's a nice add-on that JLab includes here. But one of the things that makes these ones really stand out for me is that you'll notice on the outside here, there's this metal piece inside the cup of the headphone. And it is, mesh, so you do hear what's going on around you. But what JLab has done is they've given you the ability to remove this ear cup, and then you can remove that mesh piece. So you can have what looks like an open earphone, which is really a unique looking design. And it's just a matter of putting back on the cup here, and just like that, you have it open. And when you're ready to use it, turn it. And of course, inside it says left and right, so you know which side's the right way to go. You put it on your head, and just like that, you're ready to go. And you'll notice, if you look at this side, it's open, and this side is closed. So you see that there's two different ways and styles of wearing these headphones. When we actually look at the ear cups themselves, they are very, very soft, plush. They have very nice foam feeling in it. So when you're wearing it on your head for hours on end, you're not going to feel uncomfortable. And speaking of hours of use, you get over 24 hours of battery life with this device. Once you have these headphones connected to your device, you can go ahead and customize them to your sound quality using the JLab app. You can configure the EQ settings, as well as the buttons, turn on spatial audio, and have a whole whack of other features that are just great. JLab has included inside these headphones some real nice power. A 35mm driver plus a 12mm coaxial driver. That means even though they're open ear, you're still getting great sound. And like I said, it supports spatial audio, which is amazing. Plus, of course, you can connect this to two devices. So whether it be your phone, your tablet, your computer, you can choose which two devices, but these can connect very easily to both those devices. And it's just a matter of deciding which one you want to use at which time. Whether you're talking to your smart assistant or taking phone calls. There's built-in mics on this with noise canceling technology, so that means you're going to come across clear to whoever you're talking to. Inside the case, there is a very intuitive little space here for your USB-C cable. It's Velcroed in and it just comes out, so that means you're going to have your USB-C cable everywhere you go. So whether you need to recharge it or just get audio via USB-C, you have that cable with you everywhere you go. When it's time to pack up these headphones, it's really easy to do. You rotate it so that you can put it into the case, line up the case, put the headphones in, and go ahead and just close the strap here, and you're ready to go. And it's a nice protective case. It's got this nice leather-like feel to it, and it means it can go in your bag without damaging the headphones, which is just great. Whether you're taking advantage of the cloud foam ear cups or changing the way it looks by adding the grill back in, you have so much flexibility with these headphones. And because they offer over 24 hours of battery life, fast pairing with Google devices, plus connectivity to two devices at once, it is a device you can wear on your head all day long and enjoy high quality audio. Now, they are open ear, so you do get a lot of sound from the environment. So if you're going to be using this on the subway, for example, or in a noisy construction site, these aren't the right headphones for you. But for most people, these are just going to be a great choice, especially if you're going to be taking a long drive, traveling, or just going on a normal everyday walk. I really do love these headphones, and I think they're a great choice at a very affordable price. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.